Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Destroy All Humans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destroy All Humans game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, in order to optimize the graphics, go ahead and click on Options. From the Options page, go into the Video tab at the top right. And now you will see various different settings that you can change. You can choose your brightness using the first slider. And now if you check underneath, you will see various different options and presets. Make sure your correct resolution is selected, and you also have the option to enable P-Sync if you notice any screen tears within your game. You can also set an FPS limit, depending upon the frame rate of your display unit. Now underneath you have various presets for the view distance, the anti-aliasing, post-processing, shadow quality, as well as the texture and visual effect, and foliage and land tessellation. There are various different presets that you can change, ranging from low, normal, high and ultra. Now if you have the necessary system resources, make sure that you choose ultra on all presets at first, then click on save changes, and now just start your game and see how your settings feel. If you don't notice any issues and if your game is running smoothly, then it is all good to go. Otherwise you will need to go back into options, and then from the video tab, you can try reducing all of these presets by one single step. Then once again save your changes, and by following this pattern, you can find the ultimate balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphics settings on the Destroy All Humans game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.